Nelson Lakes offers the rare opportunity to own and develop your dream estate on approximately 2 acres of land with exclusive lake access and incredible mountain views. Conveniently located just 4 miles southeast of Longmont, Colorado, 30 minutes from Boulder, Colorado, and under an hour from Denver and Denver International Airport, Nelson Lakes offers seclusion while remaining close to all the amenities one could need. The pristine 360-acre property is permitted for a maximum of 6 homes with 85 acres of lakes and 1.5 miles of Boulder Creek bordering the eastern edge of the property. The development's high quality of site planning is clearly evident through the rich contrast of views, terrain, vegetation, and microenvironments, truly exemplifying the beauty and diversity of the Colorado Front Range. One of the primary goals in the planning and development of Nelson Lakes was the preservation and enhancement of the property's natural landforms, open space, vegetation, and wildlife that characterize this beautiful area. All of the lakes on the property have been stocked with a variety of species such as bass and sunfish. Deer frequent the property, and impressive numbers of waterfowl use Nelson Lakes as a refuge. New homeowners will have access to all 8 of the private lakes on the property, in addition to unparalleled open space and unobstructed mountain views. Enjoy unlimited recreation right in your backyard, from paddleboarding, kayaking, fishing, exploring, and more. Nelson Lakes offers a unique opportunity for residential living unlike anywhere else. For additional information or to schedule a qualified showing, please contact Seth Hayden at 970-692-6321.